Ever wondered why your dog doesn't come when you pull a rope? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the top 5 reasons. Reason 1. Fear of tension. Dogs can sense tension on the rope. Reason 2. Lack of training. Proper training is essential for obedience. Reason 3. Distracting environment. Too many distractions can make them ignore commands. Reason 4. Past negative experiences. Bad memories can affect their response. Reason 5. Health issues. Sometimes they might be in pain or discomfort. Remember, patience and positive reinforcement are key. Understand these reasons and improve your bond with your dog. Hit the like button if you found this useful.